In this video, I will show you how to set tax rates in BigCommerce. Start by opening your BigCommerce dashboard. On the left-hand panel, click Settings. Under the Setup section, select Tax. This will take you to the main tax configuration page where you can control how taxes are calculated and displayed in your store. Scroll down to the Tax Rules section and click Edit. From here, select Tax Rates and Zones, then click Add a Tax Zone. In the pop-up, enter your tax zone name, choose the countries it applies to, and decide whether the zone should apply to all customers or only select customer groups. You can also choose how prices are displayed on your storefront, either including tax, excluding tax, or both. Once you're done, click Save at the bottom right. Next, click Add a Tax Rate. Set your tax rate name, choose your tax class rates, and assign a calculation priority if you're stacking multiple rules. Make sure to tick the option to enable this tax rate, then click Save again. Your new zone and rate will be applied immediately, and you can test them at checkout to ensure your taxes are calculating correctly. And that's how to set tax rates in BigCommerce.